Okay, gang, I'm going to try this again. I went ahead and I flipped my axle after watching a video of Bob Wells and Jim in Denver. And Jim in Denver had talked about raising his rig, and they did something called flipping the axle. And so I did some research, and that's what I did. At first, the way the fenders are right now, look, it looks ridiculous. But the tires were up like this, so I got a lot of height. And my next step is just to take these LEDs off. I don't know how I'm going to position them yet, but I'll figure it out easy enough. And then I have 3 bolts under here, and then I'll just go ahead and I'll move the fender down, and it won't look as goofy as it does now. And a good old boy dropped by to buy some steel from me a few days ago, and he suggested, like in his racing days, they would use torsion bars when they'd race to help the twisting. And his concern was these they're very small, lightweight leaf springs there. And so I'll go ahead and weld up a couple of traction bars and call it good. So I thought I'd give you an update. And I cleaned her out the other day. I was going to stain it, and then I decided not to stain it. And I'm just going to put my area rug down there. I may put some insulation. I want to continue to be able to stand. I am going to put insulation on the side walls. That's why I'm taking the paneling down, and then I'll reinstall it. But I thought I'd give you an update. It's a Outback 2014, built by Pace. And I'm going to put a box up here. And yeah, I have plenty of clearance now, don't I? Thanks for checking in. Take care and be safe. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe, hit the bell. Adios.